What do you want to say in Patois?
I'm thinking because it was the only one.
Send me there for the Gaza.
No.
What is your favorite sentence?
What's your favorite sentence in Patois?
Mia in the kitchen.
Yeah, in the kitchen.
Where are they in the kitchen? Where are they in the kitchen?
Mia cook.
Ah, wow.
You see me, I got through Paris like diplomat in the
In a
front of police vehicle with
Oh, you were in the front,
siren.
not the back?
Listen, no, because the thief was in the back.
Right.
Eddie,
Oh.
one drama.
Morning, guys. Good morning. Jamfet here. And today I'm very excited because I'm in Paris. And there are some other Jamaicans who are visiting Paris, actually. It's another YouTubing family that's in France, located in France. They're called the Delavos. And they're actually the biggest YouTubers in Paris, the biggest Jamaican YouTubers in France. They're not from Paris, but they're actually visiting Paris. So I'm going to be linking up with them. And I'm going to be vlogging today to see other Jamaicans in Paris. So follow me. So I'm actually late. I went to bed this morning at 8 o'clock because I was up on Carlos Kitchens live, which turned out to be a prayer meeting, a crusade, a church service. It was hot on that prayer meeting last night, on that live last night. And so I was supposed to meet them at 10. I went to bed at 8. So I'm on my bicycle, I'm riding to them. I'm going to try to change this bicycle because it's not working properly. So I hope they're not too upset. Mel is Jamaican, and her husband is Ludovic. He's French. And then they have two beautiful children, Tyler and a little princess called Sarah. So I'm off to meet them. I'm changing bicycles because that one is not working. And all right, so here we go. As I said last time I was touring Paris, you can't be scared, huh? You have to go. Because these people drive bad, walk bad, and ride bad. So I'm actually going to the Sacré-Cœur, guys, which is the Sacred Heart, translated as Sacred Heart. And I think that's the most beautiful spot in Paris. But before we get there, we have to pass some not so beautiful spots. So anyways, here we go. Merci. I should take you on a tour up here one day. This is like the not so nice side of Paris, not so beautiful. So guys, this is what's happening now. We just take COVID tests on the side of the street, because if you don't have a test or a vaccine, you ain't going into any store or any restaurant. That's just how it's at the moment. You need your COVID vaccine or your test results. So pretty much people just having tests everywhere. This is Barbès. It's not the most pleasant side of Paris. If you want your phone to be snatched and your pockets to be picked, this is a place to be. Only for people. And the day just started. But trust me, it does get a lot more crowded. A lot of people hustling, and trust me, enough of them are thief. Enough of them are thief. That's actually the more African side of Paris, but we're not going up there today. We're heading to the Sacré-Cœur. So guys, I've arrived and look at this beauty. Look at this beauty. But I don't think I'm going up there because Mel is actually on her way down here, so you won't get to see a view of Paris. I'm gonna go up there after. Of course, you can see mascara thing of the past.
Look at the
Guys,
late bug.
I am so late.
What is it?
I have an excuse, guys.
No. What's the
I have an excuse.
Let me hear
So
it.
I was on a live as a guest last night up to 7 o'clock this morning. 8 o'clock.
And
8
what?
o'clock I was
Up
like,
until 8 o'clock this morning?
yeah, 8 o'clock I was like, I'm going to my bed and to get 2 hours sleep. Charm is like, no, Eddie, you have to just go bed and go.
What kind of live you were on? No, tell me, what was the live about?
It was
Who's
so it was
live?
Carla's Kitchen.
Who's
It was
live?
Carla's Kitchen. It wasn't my live. It was Carla's Kitchen, and man, it turned out in a prayer meeting, gospel service,
In a
crusade.
business, you had a date.
I did.
So in a business, what kind of live you was on? You see?
It's really
Late bug.
bad. It's really
Late
bad.
bug, y'all. Eddie's a late bug. Late bug, Eddie. In live up to
I
the
am
Jamaican
actually.
standard of always late.
Hey
So
Tyler,
there you guys
How are
go,
you?
meeting Eddie.
how was the view up there?
It was pretty.
It was pretty?
Yes.
Oh, nice. You
So
saw it was
Wagwan.
clear up there or not?
Yeah, man, it's a little bit foggy over.
Look at her. She's so beautiful, guys.
Don't wanna let me start blush. It was foggy all the way over. I guess it's
Mama?
pollution or whatever.
Yeah,
but
yeah, it
Mama,
gets polluted.
tell you
Look at her.
There's Ludo. And
Mama,
Ludo's Princess Sarah.
Mama,
Yeah.
tell your friend.
Say hello to Jumpet.
Tell your
Say
friend.
hi,
yeah.
Jumpet. Say wagwan my yacht.
Tell your friend what?
My youth.
Big up, big up, big up.
Touch
Yeah.
Hey.
Mama,
Yes.
can you tell your friend what happened the last time we was on the zip line and what you did?
At the zip line.
Yes,
Which is zip line?
beside the grotte.
Where?
Yes.
Oh. He's talking about an adventure we did in Nice,
Oh.
close to Nice.
On the zip line.
You saw get robbed. I get picked.
Yeah, I saw. 11 minutes ago, I saw it uploaded. I'm at the police station.
Listen,
So,
I had to do
yeah.
a story time. So
How
it's
was that
published today.
experience?
Listen, it wasn't nice at all. It was scary. I was shaking.
Guys, you know
like
what? She
this.
came to Paris, not
And
thinking
get
that she's like
Get picked
a local.
and get picked.
And they saw she was a dryland
Listen,
tourist.
my
and
phone was in my jacket pocket because I had on a jacket, a little
you got it?
jacket. I stuck the phone in my jacket pocket. My vlog camera was under the stroller and my daughter's tablet. And babe always said to me, honey, you're in Paris, you can't put things as me, so naive and think everybody nice. They're not gonna do anything, it's fine. We're going through the little turn key to go
turnpike,
to
whatever they call it.
the metro. And I said, you know what, let me take out the camera and the tablet, put it in the bag, because when we put in the stroller under, I have to tilt it a bit.
Right.
So I said, all right, let me put them in the bag. Eddie, take out the camera and the tablet, put it in the bag and go like, No phone. Hear me, where is my phone? By the time I said the word phone, is 3 police stop me. Madam, we have it.
Oh, so they saw you?
On camera.
Oh my God.
They were surveilling, but it seemed like it happened.
It's a
where
regular
it happened,
pickpocket.
I was standing directly in a camera view. And they spotted. Whoever saw it,
How you lucky, sir?
listen, raided the colleagues and them get me and get the guy. One drama.
Wow.
You see me, I got through Paris like diplomat in the front
In a
of police
car.
vehicle with
Oh, you were in the front,
siren.
not the back?
Listen, no, because the thief was in the back.
Right.
Eddie,
Oh.
one drama.
You're not spitting on field.
How many bottles we have?
No. Where this come from? No, sir.
But tell her again, where you got that nice shirt on?
Tyler, he's asking where you get this nice shirt.
Where you got that
A
shirt?
subscriber gave it to him.
So my subscriber.
Tell say subscriber them love you. You don't tell him say subscriber them love you.
Look at it,
No,
guys.
no.
Wow.
Tell
Nice shirt.
Subscriber them love off my tie. Yeah, so it was an experience.
Yeah.
And they said that the guy would get locked up for 24 to 48 hours.
No wonder they can't stop
Oh
stealing.
my God, it was an experience. Never in a million years I thought something like that would happen to me. Never in a million.
But you're lucky you get it back.
Listen,
Like I
am so lucky. Everybody messaging me. I say, Mel, you're in one of the 1% of people who something like that happens in Paris.
Yeah.
I make it back.
when I say
Just want to have a drink or
0.1%.
something.
Yeah.
Babe,
Where you wanna go?
anywhere?
One terrace would be good. So how has
You,
Paris
you,
been,
you.
Ludo?
Hi.
This is the king of the pack. You must see me and watch.
And you know what's up?
This is sometimes when you binge watch, sometimes I'll 24 hours straight.
Yes.
Especially when you have to watch the whole video to get to where you want to hear.
And you know me not tell you which one
Not
of the
tell.
that I go there. now.
Listen.
So you have to watch to see where it's going to pop up. Good day.
Tyler, it's a star. Mr. Tyler put up a video where we too much thousand no time.
What you not see
The Patois one.
Right.
The video from the Jamaica link up almost at 10 times view.
Really? Which one?
The one
We see the
that,
celebration we gone
Yeah,
really
that-
high.
Jamaican event.
Tyler, don't see Sprite.
that one.
Sprite
At the park.
Jamaica event.
What if it's like
Oh, Independence. Oh.
One is why Sunday we organize at the event they make us that.
Adi-da-di-do.
limonade?
I'm not saying no.
Me not for sure man about it as well. Me talk to one next not sure.
I mean, you have to be open to criticism. You know, see, not the glue. Oh wow, I'm gonna watch it too.
You know,
I'm gonna like,
One please, he said, from reach, where is Eddie? Everybody say, where is Eddie? Where is Eddie? I know Eddie can't reach.
I don't like to mix, you know.
What you want?
What do I want? What do you want, Tyler?
Lemonade.
Lemonade. I might take a cider.
Sure they have Monaco.
Yeah, they do.
No, they don't have
If they
Monaco.
have a ticket.
What do we call a cider? A cider. Cider. You know? Oh, Jesus.
I want
How long have you been in France?
lemonade.
How long ago you in France? Eddie?
Long time,
You're
too long.
seasoned. You're seasoned, Eddie.
Too long.
Where you live? How far from here? Because you reach fast.
I took a bicycle.
Okay.
Oh yeah. But the vlogger en fait. I'm gonna see that. Guys, look at that. Hang on.
What size you want?
The biggest one there.
Look at her
It's on deux ensemble.
shirt, mini influencer. You know, so that she gonna be star.
Yes, real vlogger line.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what
Wait
you've seen.
for now on my vacation.
All right.
Okay, so I've already been here.
What's that?
L'Arc de Triomphe.
Yeah. Nice.
And I've already been here.
Uh-huh.
The Eiffel Tower.
Did you buy small Eiffel Towers?
No, big.
Or you bought big ones?
Yes.
Alright.
Vlogger.
So you've only been to 2 places, Tyler?
Oh no.
Only 2 places?
Oh no, you've been to so many places.
Where are we now?
What's this one?
Which
What's that
one?
one?
Which one?
Where is Notre Dame?
Notre Dame
And you've been to Arche de Triomphe?
No, it's not that one. It's this one.
one.
Oh, I live here.
Oh.
This is where I live.
C'est où ça?
Between these 2 towers.
Okay, cool.
Où ça?
Strasbourg Saint-Denis. We're here now. This is where we are. Sacré-Cœur.
Yes, and I've already been here.
And I think we've been here to this tall thing, honey.
I've already been
Bastille.
here, the Château de Versailles.
Bastille.
Le Château de Versailles.
Versailles, okay.
You've been to no, not this one.
No.
Oh,
you went to the
Non,
Botany?
on a été à
À
la...
Valide.
Non,
Oh, c'est là, 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 là. C'est là.
Vendôme.
Papa, je vois le Château de Versailles.
Ici, la colonne de Place Vendôme.
Alors, où d'autre je suis allée?
La Bastille. La Bastille, this was the main
Revolution.
event in the revolution. So I'd say the 14th
What was here?
14th of July, that's when they took the Bastille.
Do they do like fireworks in Nice?
Everywhere. Normally you should have everywhere.
Yeah.
It's
Also for terrorist attack?
and because of the attack that they used to do it is the 13 or the 5th.
Oh wow. Okay, I might sell on that back. I think we're gonna get real soda now, people.
I see nowhere that I've already went.
Did you go to the Louvre?
No.
No, you didn't go to the Louvre?
No, not as yet. But I've been at Arc de Triomphe,
Tyler, sit down.
Carla, be careful.
Eiffel, Palais Royal, and that's it.
Palais Royal.
Palais Royal, but that's the
Palais
Louvre.
Royal, en fait, c'est le château de Versailles.
Ah.
C'est pas la même chose. Palais Royal, c'est Palais Royal. Tu as été à côté du Palais Royal quand tu étais dans ce sort de
Enfin, château de Versailles était le Palais Royal à un moment. Merci.
Palais Royal, c'est quand tu étais sur le
Look
Palais.
at prejudice. Look at my glass and look at theirs. Ching.
Firstly, this thing is bigger than you.
It's a live thing.
Tyler,
That look.
look
Tell her
at
your
the
star,
glass.
your straw gonna fall out. Tell her gonna say
Man,
to
that look
some.
nice.
Hi, to some.
No, not today.
Hey, wee.
Yes. Welcome to Paris.
How are you doing? Oh, this is so.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Then be a bad princess.
Give her this.
No. I don't. Ella.
No, we walked a good amount of time.
Maybe yesterday I couldn't move. My body was numb. Literally numb. Just please, Mama.
I like it.
No, she said, please, Mama.
I was like, you know, I've been on holidays. I'm more tired than when I work.
Yeah, because you lose the organization.
The activity, yeah.
You just let it go. The morning you just wake up
Pour l'instant, je vois
you
que
want,
des
and
maisons.
afternoon you go back to nap and you just
Yeah. It's terrible.
You know all these things they're telling me that I need to turn
Listen,
on
yeah.
the channel. I'm going to do it tonight.
Listen
It's just
to
that I need to sit down.
But sorry, you don't have your
Turn on
computer.
what I
Come on, I'll do it right here. And then there's membership, which is when
I
people.
know. I know
That is
all
a
of
bit.
that. I know all of that.
That is
but
a
I
bit
just
shame
haven't
to turn on. Like super chat, you just click a button.
So
You know,
when you turn on Super Chat, what does the subscribers do?
Ah, je suis aussi allée à la
They
Bastille.
can donate to your channel.
Je suis
I saw
allée à la
everyone still must do
Bastille.
that.
Yeah.
Déjà, je suis
They
allée à la
donate to your channel,
Bastille.
donate money to your channel.
Yeah. So like when you post your videos, you schedule them as premiere instead of as schedule.
What's the difference between what's the
Because,
benefit
of a premiere? The benefit of a premiere is that your subscribers are watching it at the same time.
Yes, I know that, but what's the difference?
Because they
Having
can talk and communicate.
Yeah, but when my video's on and premiering, I'm not able to sit there and watch it at
well,
that time.
you don't have to be there,
So
but,
the thing about
that's the
premieres,
thing.
you know, they
Premiere,
like when
you
you're
communicate
watching it
with
and
them.
talking back with them.
That
That's
is
why
true.
it don't make sense for me to premiere my videos. Because if I'm going to premiere my videos,
But-
I should be able to be talking to them in the
Right,
comment
but-
section while the video's
Yeah,
happening.
but if you are there, chances are they will leave a super chat.
But I'm not, I don't have the time. You know, understand?
But even if you're not there, it don't
Because at the
matter.
time when my video public or something else, me I do probably an edit or a next
Yeah.
video or me I work on something else. You know? So me can sit
Yeah,
down
that
and
is true.
see right now, my video published from 1:30.
You see it?
And
Well,
normally
that-
we can go on and give the first comment and give the first thumbs up. And 30 minutes down, I know, me not
I know.
So you're still like, even though you have so many subscribers, you still try to respond to as
Every
many?
single one.
Really?
Every single, I make it my duty. Whether it's late at night before
Sometimes just like,
bed.
you know, sometimes you just
Sometimes I just like, even if I
Right.
don't,
But
I'm
you-
not commenting back to all, because some of them just not deserve a comment back, a reply.
Right.
But I always like what needs to be done. But I make it my point of duty to engage with my subscribers. And that make a difference for me. That way I'm sure of keeping at least 2,000.
Right.
At least 2,000, me know I come back and watch every day.
Oh wow.
At least. Because, you know,
Yeah, it's
when
true
you-
because when I like make a comment and it's like the author like it, you feel
you
away.
feel
Yeah.
special,
You feel
don't
special,
you?
that's
Trust
true.
me. They like when they feel special.
Oh.
And especially my subscribers, because my subscribers are not young people, you know. My average subscribers are between the age of 45 and 60. So majority of people who watch my channel is old ladies.
Right.
I mean, I have young people that watch my channel. Really? So that's why also make me kind of skeptical whose channel I'm campaign on.
Yeah.
Because not everybody channel me can't campaign on them Jamaican prank channel.
I don't do pranks. I don't believe in pranks.
I can't.
Challenges, I can maybe accept challenges.
I tap into both and I realize it's not for me. My audience.
I'm not a prank. I don't like the idea of prank.
do challenge or prank,
Yeah.
you don't.
It
Yeah.
don't bring you nothing.
Yeah.
And for me, it don't bring me nothing at all.
Sometimes you will like.
Like we have one prank that did well,
Like
Yeah.
Panic attack.
but that was a real life experience.
That
The
wasn't.
highest views
This
videos
one
we have on the
wasn't
channel.
playing. This one was
We had a
really.
panic attack and I was just filming,
Right.
just like a normal day. And I was having about 100 and something thousand views. You see it with YouTube edit?
But you get a lot of views, like
Because the thing is,
and the thing I like about your channel, you don't go hunting the views like we do. Like most of my subscribers are like content creators. So I know after a while I'm gonna lose them
of
because
course,
you know they're not really interested in my
creators
content.
and also content creators, majority of us don't have the time to sit down and watch.
Right, so you see people supporting less and less,
You have to
and you supporting
find-
their channel less and less as well.
You
'cause-
have to find people who are not content creators.
Right.
You have to try. That's why you have to campaign on channels to make people see you.
Similar,
Because if it's content creators, supporting content creators, yes, you can support and go and give a comment
Yeah.
and watch a few seconds or a few minutes of the video, but you never go sit and watch a full video. You don't have the time.
Yeah.
Plus you have other life outside of that. You don't have the time.
That's the
You
thing.
don't have the time. And with me just get up every day and pick up my camera. I didn't apply.
I'm trying to get used to it.
It's a natural
Because like
problem.
even the video that did well for me, the 90,000 video, I was just at the pub and I said,
You
let
don't get
me
it
just
back?
film. Yeah, I got it back.
You got it
I
back?
got it back. Let me that help them get monetized. And that it gave me the 4,000 watch hour, just that one video. Instead of begging people, oh, watch my channel, watch, or what.
You appeal
You
when,
just-
when they
I appeal and they gave me like 10
This
days.
is the thing with YouTube, Eddie. You just have to upload. You don't know which of your videos
It's
is
going
gonna
to-
take
yeah.
off.
Yes.
Because look at the little clip when we uploaded Elaine video. Let me tell you a little secret. It's the Elaine celebration video that I uploaded 2016 of
Right.
her winning the 100 meter. You know that a company from Japan contacted me and paid me to use that clip in an advertisement on their TV here. And I'm still waiting for the guy to send me the ad, but he's not send it to me yet.
Wow.
So you don't know.
Mais tu as Monaco.
You don't.
Je prends un Monaco aussi, mais pas très sucré. Ok. Merci.
Oui, c'est très
La taille, la même taille.
La même taille, ouais. Allez, je suis en vacances, il faut y aller.
We don't know
Yeah,
which of
there's
the
no
videos
formula,
going to take off.
and I see people like copy because they saw that video go viral, they're copying.
Is
And
it
It's not.
copying
No,
in terms of
doing similar videos. But they're not necessarily going anywhere because it's not like a formula that,
you
okay.
don't know which going to pop off, so you just have to upload
What is,
anything and upload it.
Title of
The
the
title.
moment.
Yeah.
Let's just say,
Yeah.
for example, the recent news, the election
Celebration.
for the 100
Right.
meter, but
For this
for
Olympic.
this Olympic. And when
I
she
wasn't
look
even
at the
gonna upload
research,
it. Tell her he's talking. Hold on.
when she look at the research,
Ty, I said hold on.
it's all of the previous.
All the previous Olympic videos now popping up behind
Any
it.
videos that Eden
Yeah.
Thompson was in,
They're
Because
popping up now.
just it's like
Taking
there's
off.
a video when she was with
I remember that
yeah,
video.
plus
Popping up now like
they get
crazy.
like 5K.
I love that video. That video, I laughed it too.
I'm in the corner.
They were mad. You were like these crazy Jamaicans.
I get used to
Yeah.
because since my first trip in Jamaica, that's the same. I get used to.
Right.
So most of these people, I know them since my first trip was
Okay.
she was in UK.
Right.
In
That's right.
UK, there were 4 roommates. There were 4 per room.
That's my roomie.
Was
Me
her-
attack from Kashia
It
Baton.
was Elaine Thompson. It was
Sikiri and
I love Elaine. But I think my love for Elaine make me sort of not like the others, which is bad. So like
No, it's not bad.
in the race, I'm
a
only,
fan.
in the races, I'm only looking at Elaine. It's really bad because like we had 3 Jamaicans, but I was only focused on Elaine.
Because she was.
I when the race done and replay, I realize that we get 1, 2, 7.
Yeah.
It is the we know Elaine like
Personal.
Yeah.
before
Before anything
before
like
all
that.
before
this
she did
fame and-
anything.
You want to come?
That's
No,
fine.
let him
Alright,
see.
let me tell you. Tell me now.
The
You
first
chat enough, you know, Eddie, so.
The
Let's
first
see.
one that's fine is the word that is the word that says rue boulevard and
But you know where it is. But you know where it is, Ty. I trick you. I trick you.
Alsace Lorraine. In Paris. I wanted to find me the word. T'es sûr qu'il y a Alsace Lorraine?
It's just that it was because I wanted to show you where was my house.
Ah. Where are you staying?
But the only hint is that I know that my house is not is close to no monuments.
Okay.
And my
Do you know which
hint-
metro stop?
and in my bed and to help me first I find the river and see the name of the river and if it's written Langue ou la rivière morte, that means close to my house.
La rivière morte?
La
C'est à Paris?
Oui. Non, je veux dire Viry. Viry-Châtillon.
Au Châtillon Montrouge.
No,
Attends une petite minute, mais c'est pas sur la carte.
Ah, mais je croyais. I thought so.
no, we are in the.
Where are you guys staying? Ah, Esson.
Attends,
C'est
mais je
loin?
peux tourner.
Mais c'est direct.
Ok.
10 minutes
So,
le
Aya?
RER. Je visite
Oh, the sea.
bibliothèque. 10 minutes. C'est quoi? Il y a un bâtiment.
Maintenant, le premier qui trouve, je lui visite.
Il y a un bâtiment, c'est comme un carré avec des carrés qui sont.
Moi, nous, on a qu'à ça, Gala, Gala, RSC, c'est le
It's
jaune.
when you're having your next.
27. They change it because 28, Elaine and those guys are coming. They're coming up?
Me just a little you want me come up.
I don't know. Are they going to Monaco this year?
That would be done.
Already.
Oh.
Wasn't there.
Gare Australis.
But the French people, them cheap. They're only doing Elaine and Sharika.
Papa? Papa, je vois pas, je visite, mais je vois
I'm
Gare
just reaching back to
Australis.
Nice
Parce que là, c'est que Paris.
Just because me leaving here on Thursday,
Right.
going Netherlands. Then
Oh,
Shana,
nice.
Shana now go there, but
Oh.
we go there Shana, and then we reach
Don't
Shana,
mind to get my drink.
I leave Shana and go. I want my next friend in Belgium, Kimi.
Yeah. That's why I'm like,
Belgium and
this was like water.
If you're thirsty,
don't know when we reach Nice. I reach Nice 27. And if you come back on the 28th, you'll reach you.
You know, I look at the calendar and
around. I don't even know when we're gonna reach now. To be honest, we live in Belgium on the 26th. That's the only thing I know.
26. Yeah.
So which we could have reached over on the 30th, 30th, around.
Oh, what?
I looked at the calendar yesterday and I almost had a heart attack. The holiday is almost over.
Oh yeah, it's just 2 weeks.
Merci.
Papa, est-ce que Oberkampf, c'est Paris?
Oui.
Alors, le premier qui...
So guys, you see I met the Delavos. They're the leading YouTubers in France. Leading Jamaican YouTubers, the stars. Look at Tyler. Tyler loves the camera, you see?
He love the camera, ever camera ready.
Guys, these are the stars of YouTube in France.
Lie. We're
Because
just normal people.
Before I met you, I was watching your videos.
Yes, I remember
So
you
the
did
day
say
in the
that.
group when the friend was said you were,
He was
I was
like,
like,
is that
what?
Gmail?
I was so shocked. I'm like,
Oh my God.
really?
Oh, wow.
Oh, what messy?
Where's your phone?
Yeah.
Sure about it?
Yes, I'm sure this
So
time.
Tyler, say something for my jam fitters.
Tyler, say something for Eddie Channel. Say big up Jam Fit.
It's in Patois. Say something in
Big
Patois.
up Jam Fit. Say big up Jam Fit.
Midaya Paniad.
Voilà, voilà.
You wasn't
Voilà.
ready for that, don't you?
Me never ready for that.
He wasn't ready for Tyler Patois. Tyler, give him another piece of
Give me something
Patois.
else, Tyler. Come on. Man. Teach the people them some Patois and translate it to French.
What's your face? You're pressure me boy. Why you pressure me son so? Stop pressure my son. What do you want to say in Patois?
I'm thinking because it was the only one.
Send me there for the Gaza.
No.
What is your favorite sentence?
What's your favorite sentence in Patois?
Mia in the kitchen.
Yeah, in the kitchen.
Where are they in the kitchen? Where are they in the kitchen?
Mia cook.
Ah. What you love to cook? You can cook?
I can cook pasta.
Pasta?
Yes. And I And most of all, porridge.